I will give you 5 steps to protect yourself from fake virus scams on your computer. Don't panic. I'll show you how to tell if it's a scam and how to protect your computer. Please stay until the end. I have a free bonus for you. Okay, so for the first thing that you need to do is to recognize it's a fake virus scam. Look for the red flags. It'll say critical alert, call this number, fix now, warning, call support, click here to scan. Remember, real virus warnings do not behave like this. Now we're going to close this. If this is the one that's on your computer, I'll show you how to close it. Okay, so I'm just going to go to Google and I will just give you an example. Okay, so you go down to the icon with the Chrome icon down here and you right click and you go close all windows. But I'm not going to do that because that will mess up my screen. So anyway, that's how you would close all windows. And if that fake warning does not close, we're going to go through that and show you how you do that. Get rid of it. Okay. Since I'm not going to really do it on my computer, since I don't have a fake alert, this is how you're going to do it. You're going to press Control Alt Delete on your computer, and then you'll select the Task Manager, which is, you'll see this in the upper left corner, and then you'll click on Google Chrome, and then you'll go down here and end task, and that will take you out of it. So then you'll get back into your computer and reopen Chrome, but do not restore the previous pages in case they're the infected ones with the virus. So just say no if you just open a new window. The next thing you'll be doing is clearing the browsing history and site data on Chrome. So I will show you how to do this. Click the 3 dots up in the far right corner and go scroll down to settings. Open that. Go to privacy and security on the left side here. And then you'll go to delete browsing history. And you'll make sure these, you want all time for the time. And you want to check mark browsing history, cookies, cache, and download history. And then delete data. And after that, I'm going to show you, you will remove unsafe browser extensions. So we're going to go back to the 3 dots and to extensions and to manage extensions. Now review all the ones that you have. If you don't recognize them, click the remove button. And the safest thing to not get extensions on there that might have viruses is to always download from the Chrome website so that they're not infected with virus. So the next thing you'll do is run a Windows Defender scan. This is an antivirus that's included in Windows 11. So we're going to go to the bottom left to my start button, click start. I'm going to type in settings and click on settings, privacy and security down here. Okay, now Windows security and to virus and threat protection. And we use PCmatic, but I can still do a quick scan, so I would just hit this. And now when it's done, it'll tell you no threats found with the green arrow. Green check mark. That's how you know the computer is clean. And then after that, go back to Google, do 2 or 3 new Google searches, and if the pop-up does not come back, that confirms your computer is safe. So now we're going to verify the scam is gone. Check that the pop-ups do not return after doing 2 to 3 Google searches. Chrome opens normally. You can just go down on the icon and it will open like it usually does. No strange pages load automatically, and Windows Defender shows no threats. So let's do the 5 steps now that will protect yourself from fake virus scams. Fake pop-ups come from websites, not your computer. Never call the number or click anything inside the pop-up. Close your browser safely and clear browsing data. Remove any extensions you don't recognize. Run Windows Defender, the antivirus. Stay calm. Follow these steps and you'll be protected from fake virus scams. Don't forget to grab your free bonus. It's printable. It's a printable checklist to do all these things so you can stay safe on your computer. Thanks for visiting my channel. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any ideas for any other simple tech tutorials, let me know. I'd love it if you'd watch my other videos too. Thanks for coming. Have a great day.